This is a brick breaker game. Let's build in 2 minutes using ChatGPT. We take less than 2 minutes to build this game. Open ChatGPT website and type here code for brick breaker game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then press enter. As you see now, ChatGPT is generating code for our game, and it will take few seconds to complete the task. For this game, code is not that simple. It's so long, I think it will like at least 200 lines of code. As of now, openai is set for ChatGPT some time limit for replying. It will take around 20 or 30 seconds. So if it stops in the middle, just say continue. And it will start writing response. Exactly from where it left. For this game, HTML and CSS is very easy part. The important thing here is JavaScript code, because we need to write code for basic functionality of this game, like draw the canvas with bold bricks and pedal and then update the ball position, collision detection and score update, and then changing the frame, and most importantly, event listeners to control the game like key press or cursor movement. And right now ChatGPT is creating all this JavaScript code for us. Wait little bit, our code is generating. Okay. Finally our code is generated, so let's copy all this code one by one, paste in brickbreaker.html file. Look at this guys, almost 200 lines of code, and ChatGPT created it in less than 2 minutes, and like a good software engineer it could take like 30 or 40 minutes to write this lines of code. Sorry guy, I will take your few seconds to making CSS and JavaScript code file in VS Code. After that we copy our CSS code and paste in our CSS file. And in JavaScript first here we make file, after that same we do with JavaScript, we copy them and paste in JavaScript file. That's set. After that we going to see our bricks breakier game. Let's open our file in browser. This is our game. I know it doesn't look so good. But do not worry about that, we can change some CSS and make it look better. Right now I'm playing this game and it working perfectly fine. As you can see, pedal is moving with cursor movement, bolt position is changing, collision detection. And finally, after breaking all the bricks, it's so winning alert pop up.